Understanding the pain. A deep dive into empathy. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase that's not only common but also deeply meaningful. Understand the pain. This phrase is a powerful example of empathy and compassion in language. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what this phrase means but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. So, let's get started. Understand the pain is a phrase that goes beyond the literal meanings of its words. To understand means to grasp the meaning, significance, or nature of something. Pain, on the other hand, refers to the physical or emotional discomfort caused by illness, injury, or an emotional situation. When combined, this phrase speaks to recognizing and empathizing with someone else's suffering or difficulties. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another. It's a cornerstone of human connection and communication. When we say we understand the pain of someone, we're expressing that we can see beyond the surface and feel what they are going through. This phrase is often used in situations of grief, challenges, or any instance where one person wishes to offer support and understanding to another. 1. Expressing support. You can use this phrase when someone shares their troubles or grief with you. Saying, "I understand the pain you're going through," can be a powerful way to show your support. 2. Offering comfort. In times of difficulty, letting someone know that their feelings are valid and that they are not alone can be very comforting. This phrase does just that. 3. Building connections. Sharing empathy can strengthen bonds between people. Using empathy-driven language like "understand the pain" helps build deeper, more meaningful relationships. After listening to a friend talk about a recent breakup, you might say, "I truly understand the pain you're feeling right now." In a support group, someone might share, "Anyone who has gone through this knows and understands the pain." Offering condolences, you might express, "I can't fully understand your pain, but I'm here for you in any way you need." Understanding the pain of another is a profound act of empathy. This phrase, simple in its structure, is powerful in its impact. It can comfort, support, and connect us in ways that go beyond just words. We hope this video has helped you grasp the depth and usage of "understand the pain." Remember, language is not just about speaking. It's about connecting with others on a deep emotional level. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.